So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, right, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of the trade. That is the one of trading, right? What is the trend of the trade? Now, the rule two of trading is that um, trade trade with the trend. So first thing we want to know the trend. Second, we are going to trade with the trend. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, make sure you also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, guys, if you take a look at this project, you can see that our EURJPY is actually its move, right? So basically, we tend to have three movements in the market, right? So one, it's either market is trending to the upside, right? Or market is trending to the downside, or we are literally ranging, which is a sideways movement. And as you can see right here on our EURJPY, we are having a sideways movement, which is a ranging market move, right? So basically, market is literally ranging at this level. Although our main trend is an uptrend move. This is our main trend. Our main trend is what? Uptrend move. But when you zoom it in, you will see that this is our current trend. This is our current trend. And our current trend says what? We are in a ranging market move. Now, guys, take a look at this movement right here. You can see that on our Euro JPY, it is very clear. We are very much ranging, right? Now, take a look at this right here, guys. Market was pushed up, right? We had a rejection from this zone right here. Market was rejected from this, but then once market pushed up, then it came back to retest it. Guess what market did next? Once market came to retest it, which is at the support level, now serving as the support level, it rejected from the support level and it pushed up back to our resistance level. And currently, you can see that it rejected from our support level back to our resistance level. You can see that that bullish move literally played out. Guess what market did next after it got to our resistance level? Guess what market did next? Market eventually rejected from our resistance level. So basically, markets, this is the resistance level. Markets rejected from the resistance level and go back to the support. Guess what market did next? It rejected from the support back to the resistance, and from this resistance level, we go back to our support. Now, from this support level, we had the rejection that made it that came back to our resistance. From this our resistance level, but we had a rejection that made it to drop to our support level. Now, from this our support level, right, market was able to push up, right? Market was able to push up, reject from our support level, came close to our resistance level, right? Now market has given us a pullback. The market has given us a pullback to retest this our support. So now that market has given us a pullback to retest our support level, what should we be expecting basically on your trend market move? We should be expecting market to reject from this our support level back to our resistance. So guys, this is to tell you that a buy is what we are going to be expecting on our EURJPY. So we should be looking for a buy setup. So from this support level, we should be expecting EURJPY to give us a buy and we come back to tap our resistance level. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting. Now, if in case there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.